aircon at ano ba ito, electric fan. Basta din mo mahangin. Alik na naman siya. Mamaya tayo manonood. Kakain muna tayo ng solid worms. Favorite ko ni Erin. Favorite ko ito yung mga gantong bata pa. Kaya lang, bata pa tayo, medyo mahirap ang panahon. Kaya ngayon, nakakaluwat-luwat. Konti lang. Is it sweet or sour?
Sour. Sweet.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Mama first, okay? Look at them. Can I see your face? Can I see your face? Is it nice? Is it proper? You like it?
Like it.
Can you? Do you want more?
Yeah.
You want? Get. Ba't kailangan mali? Nalulunok mo naman agad eh. You must chew. You must chew. 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 Paano yung chew? Hindi nilulunok. Ano no? Chew. Look at me. You must chew. Not kiss, you must chew. Ano? Ganon. 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 Kasama kanta. Napaka-asin. Matamis. Parang yung mangga. Can you put it back? Don't open it. One more. Chew. Finish na ba? What color you want?
Orange.
Okay. What? What color you want? Or want yellow?
Orange.
You don't know. You know what? Bakit siya ganun kumuha? Kasi ayaw niya ng plastic. Ayaw niya ng mga bagay na nakalagay sa loob ng plastic. Kaya ang hawak niya sa isang bagay ganun. Can you hold the plastic? Can you hold the plastic? Hold the plastic like this. Can you hold? Can you hold? Mama will not give you if you don't hold the plastic. Hold the plastic. This one. Wow, good job. See? Always remember kung ano yung takot nila. Kailangan ninyo. Ganun naman daw. Okay, magpapakawin na tayo.
Let's go.
Gusto ko pili yung camera. Remember, kung ano yung mga katatakutan nila or mga ayaw nila, dapat nilang masubukan. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hindi pwedeng ayaw. Hindi pwedeng hindi. You must. You must, right? You must try. You must try. You must try.
Yes.
Yes. So try it. Again, can you hold? Can you give Mama one? Can you make subo Mama one? So, tagal. 1. Ah. Thank you. Hugas naman yung dami talaga. Happy kid yarn. Ganun. Can you show them? Kasi maasim o matamis? Ano? Matamis o maasim?
Tamis.
Matamis na maasim. One more?
Wow. Wow.
No, can you close that? Ah, trolling.
Trolley.
Look. Hinanap niya sa YouTube yung trolley. Ayan. Yes. Matalas-tas, diba? Hinanap niya. Pag yung may mga ganitong bagay at hindi niya maintindihan kung para saan, hindi niya hinahanap kay Whitey. Yeah. Ang gagaling nila doon. Yung mga batang awesome. Ang galing nila sa hanapan. Right, Erin? Right? Right. Oh, which one you like? Take it. Sinunod mo. Kasi mo daw. Can you hold this one? Can you hold? See? Ayaw din ni Erin nun. Dati, nung maliit pa siya. Lahat na may plastic na pagkain. Kinikis-kis ko yung plastic sa tingnan niya. Para ma-distinguish na yung plastic. Di ba? Pero awareness, kailangan yung matutunan at kailangan yung ma-immune. Dahil madaming plastic sa Pilipinas. Plastic na plastic at may plastic na tao, plastic na hayop, plastic na bagay. Oh! What? You don't like na? Finish? Can you come here?
Let's roll.
Can you take the remote and can you come here? Right?
We always.
But no, you must take. Mama will not give you if you don't take it. And can you make subo mama one? I want the yellow one. So tagal. I want the yellow one. Kapag pala mukha niya babunan yun, no? No? So tagal. Yellow na lang. Take it. Don't hold it. Don't hold. Kasi hinahawakan mo. Wala na, nasa damit ka na. Look. Mati lang. Pag hindi na niya nagugustuhan, can you put it down? Pag hindi na niya gusto yung nasa kamay niya, mama alcohol. Mama alcohol! Yeah. Number 1 na kailangan meron ka sa bahay, alcohol wipes. At saka basang tuwalya. Can I, mama, put? Ako na.
Last what? Last.
Last. Konti lang. Konti. Alcohol is not a toy. Can you put it back? Ouchie. Can you put it back with it? Thank you. Yes. Oh, you want it? I gave you na. Done. Can you put it back? See? Too much alcohol. Hindi tayo factory na alcohol. So, kailangan tipid. Paano ba yan?
Peanut.
Bye!
Roll. Roll.
Bye, guys.
Wow.
One more time.
Peanut.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Sabihin mo.
Bye.
Like,